Uppercase A.
Falling down, London Bridge is falling down, my
Lowercase a.
build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones, build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
Uppercase B. Lowercase b.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall
Uppercase
down, all
C.
fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady.
Lowercase c.
Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my
Uppercase
fair lady.
D. Lowercase d.
Wood and clay will wash away,
Uppercase
wash
E.
away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady.
Lowercase
Build it up
e.
with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with
Uppercase
iron and steel,
F.
my fair lady.
Lowercase f. Let's go coloring.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and
A is
steel
for
will
apple.
bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge
A is for ant.
falling down, my fair lady.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse
B is for ball.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
B is for bat.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
C is for carrot.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck three.
C is for car.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
D is for duck.
sat by the clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
D is for door.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck five.
E is for elevator.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
E is for egg.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck six. Oh fiddle stick.
F is for fish.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick.
F is for flag.
Hickory dickory dock, tick
Uppercase A. Lowercase a. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Uppercase C. Lowercase c. Uppercase D. Lowercase d. Uppercase E. Lowercase e. Uppercase F. Lowercase f. Please like and subscribe to my channel.